guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. I really like this look, especially for like a date night, and I think it's just such a beautiful, like classy, bold type of look, and I love this look. Like if you guys are thinking of having like a date night, especially since we're in quarantine, I see a lot of cute videos where people are having like date nights at home, and I think it's just so cute. So I really like this like sexy, bold look. So before we get on to the tutorial, please press the subscribe button down below, and also I'm going to be telling you guys your affirmation now because at the end I'm not gonna speak again. So our affirmation for today is I can change my attitude. So if you are ever in a situation where you feel like defeated or you feel like there's no positive ending to it, just remember that you can change your attitude towards any situation in life. So just change your attitude, and that will make such a difference of whatever you're going through. Your attitude changes everything. So I just wanted to let you guys know that affirmation, and let's get on to the tutorial. So right here, guys, I'm going to prime my lids with my tart shape tape. So I'm going to take my Colourpop Single Shadows palette, and I'm going to start off with Sea Stars. This is my favorite brown to put on my crease. It's just such a beautiful mid-tone brown, and I just absolutely love this shade. Now I'm going to take this bright orangey shade, and this is in the name Bratty. And I'm going to take that and just apply that more focused on my crease. This orange is so beautiful. I love orange shades, but it's so gorgeous. Now I'm going to take this shimmery red orange shade, and it's called Martian, and I'm going to apply that in my crease area on top of the Bratty shade. This is just so gorgeous. Now I'm going to take this reddish shade, and this is called Crisscross, and I'm going to apply that on my crease, but I'm also taking it a little bit to my outer corner as well. So I'm focusing on my crease, but I'm also dragging it in that outer corner. So now I'm going to take that shade Feathered, and I'm going to focus that on my outer V of my eyes. This is going to be like the main dark shade, just to add the depth to the eye look. Take this beautiful gold shade, and this is called Two Birds, and I'm only going to apply this in the inner part of my lids. And I really want to like add some color, so I'm going to take this like reflective greenish shade, and I'm going to apply that to kind of sandwich the gold and the outer brown together. I'm just applying that where the gold meets the brown, just to kind of sandwich those two shades. I'm going to take that orangey shade, and it's in Chauffuer, and I'm going to apply that over the gold, and I'm just going to keep sandwiching those two shades together. Just take my brush, and I just continue adding more to that in that outer shade, that darker shade, just to deepen it up a little bit more, because I feel like I lost it. So I just go back and just keep blending and blending and blending. Sorry for how dark it is there, but I am taking my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, one of my faves, and I'm just priming my face. Foundation, I'm taking the Anastasia Luminous Foundation. I have been loving this foundation a lot. I'm just gonna apply this. I love the glow and the dew that it gives my skin. Concealer, I'm taking my Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I have mine in Deep Sand. I really love this concealer and how dewy and how brightening it is. I just love this concealer. To set that, I'm taking one of my favorites, Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. I love this powder so much, and I'm just using that to set my face in the places that I put the concealer. For bronzer, I'm going to take my Kaja Beachy Stamp bronzer in the shade Toasty. I just love Kaja so much, and I love the cushiony feel of this. So I'm just gonna use my finger to put it on my skin, and then I'm gonna take my brush to blend it in. I wanted a little bit more bronze to my skin, so I'm taking my NYX matte bronzer, and I have mine in the shade Deep Tan, and I'm just gonna go over the cushion bronzer and just kind of deepen up that bronze. For blush, I'm taking the KVD Beauty blush in the shade Foxglove. I saw this blush on a girl who was like my skin tone, and it's such a beautiful pinky purple shade. I just love the shade. It's very natural, very subtle, but it's so beautiful. And for highlight, I'm taking one of my favorite highlights of all time, Rodeo Drive by Ofra, and I'm just going to pop that on the tops of my cheeks. So that is it for my face, and now I'm just going to do my lower lash line. So I'm taking Bratty and just smudging that on my lower lash line. I'm going to take Martian and smudge that on my lower lash line as well. Since I want like a smoked out lower lash line, I'm going to take Feathered and apply that as well. I just want to smoke out my lower lash line just to make the whole look smoky. So I kind of want that gold that's on the inner part of my lid to be lighter. So I took this light gold from my Profusions palette, and I'm just applying this on top of that dark gold just to kind of lighten up the gold. So for my inner corners, I'm taking that shade Brilliance from the Profusion Golden Nudes palette, and that's going to be my inner corner highlight. So I want a little bit more blush, so I went in the Profusion's Golden Nudes palette, and I took that Bliss shade and applied more blush. Who am I? I used to hate blush, you guys, and now I just love blush so much. I'm going to do a wing. I was feeling a little spontaneous, and I'm going to take my It Cosmetics liquid liner and just create a wing. And I'm deciding that I'm going to start practicing my wings so I could get better at it. Now these wings that I did today, they're not even, but I am proud of my wings that I did. Mascara, I'm taking the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. To set my face, I'm taking the Fourth Way Beauty Mellow Milk Setting Spray and just using that to set and melt everything together. For lip liner, I'm going to take my Urban Decay lip liner in the shade 1993, and I absolutely love this lip liner because it's so natural and it's like a barely there, like your lip color but better, and I just really love this shade. Top of that, I'm taking my Milani Color Statement lipstick in the shade Teddy Bear. I just love this lipstick a lot. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you guys like this video, this date night glam makeup tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!